Hi guys, Therese here. So it's that time of the month again where I share to you guys my favorites for the whole month of June. I saw so much people shopping online for the month of June and it was really tempting. I've been adding so much on my cart, but I didn't really feel the need to buy them because we have so much things already, and I think it's not the time to buy anything at this point, and I have so much things in my condo that I left behind, so I think I have so much things from there that I will bring back here in Pampanga once I move back to Pampanga. And I'm temporarily sharing my room with my sister and brother, so I don't wanna add up my mess here. I have so much things over here, so all the favorites that I'm sharing this month are still not new things that I've purchased for the month. It's just the things that's been helping me for the whole month of June. So let's start with the first one. It's been so hard for me to dress up lately because all my clothes were left in my condo in Manila. So most of my clothes here are t-shirts and some sleeveless, but most are plain. So it's really so hard to dress up. Plus, we have to wear masks every day now because of the pandemic. So I thought of a way to accessorize myself minimally and accessorize myself with accessories that is easy to disinfect. So I've been using my bag scarves lately to accessorize my hair and make my look good even though I'm wearing my mask. So it's nice to use your bag scarves or any scarf that you have because it's much easier to disinfect cloth. You just need to wash your scarves. So I've been using many different scarves lately, and this one is not, I think this is not a bag scarf. I got this one and this from SM. I don't know if they are for bags, but I've been using them for bags before and now I'm using them for my hair. I haven't used this one ever. It still has the tag price. It's $129.75 in SM. They have so much prints of this one. So this was an unnecessary purchase before, but it's getting more worth it now. And since we're talking about accessorizing your look even though you're wearing masks, our second item and our monthly favorites are these glasses from Sunny's. I have so much glasses from Sunny's, but I was only able to take this 3 with me. The other 3 were left in my condo, so there. It's helping me a lot in dressing up because they are in different colors, so it's elevating my look even though I'm wearing a mask. And even though we don't really fix our face these days because of our mask, it's really nice to elevate your looks with nice Sunny's. I think Sunny's is still accepting orders in their online page, right? And I don't know in Manila, but here in the province, there are many optical shops that are open for appointment. Like here in Angeles City, there is this optical shop, ATS Optical. You can schedule your appointment there for your eyewear needs. So for those who need to get their eye checked, you know where to go. Third in our list is our Starbucks planner. So much people have been saying online na sayang naman yung planner nila for 2020, but I think it's really nice to maximize still your planner. For each day, you can put goals or one thing that you should accomplish for the day. Even though it's a simple thing, at least you did something for the day. So it's really nice to still utilize your planner and plan your day. I know the world stopped because of this pandemic. The whole world really stopped and we all didn't expect what happened, but we shouldn't stop living, so plan your days ahead. Fourth thing in my list is this one, guys. It's my AirPods. I've been using this ever since, but it's this month that I really appreciated it because whenever we come back home from work, I really want to clear off my mind and listen to different songs. So I've been utilizing my AirPods lately for my mental health. And with this AirPods, I'm really so happy that my brother got my old bike. So that's the fifth thing in our list, my old bike. I've been riding my bike lately and it's really so nice even though we're wearing masks when we're biking. It's really so nice to just feel the air and reflect on the day while biking and the air is hitting your face. These days, I see to it that in a day, I would be able to go 1 round in the village and just clear off my mind. The planner, the AirPods, and my bike have been my mental health favorites for the month. So that's the fifth thing in our list, my bike. Whenever I clear off my mind and use my bike, I get to exercise also, so that's a plus. And along with this activity, I've been using this so much also, my yoga mat from Fit and Fab, because I've been doing stretches in the morning and in the evening because I have lower back pains. I don't know why, but it's really getting worse lately. So I've been doing so much stretches using my Fit and Fab yoga mats. I think they do same-day delivery in Manila. I'm not sure, but I think they do. And in the province, it reached me within a week or less than a week, I think. The seventh thing in our list is this one, my big Tupperware water jug. I've been using this going to our office and here at home because I have UTI or urinary tract infection, and one of the most important thing that I can do to help myself is to drink water. I finished my water for today, but I need to fill this up 2 to 3 times more before the day ends. The number 8 in our list is this one, my Din and DeLuca jams. Look at this, it's almost finished because my nephew loves this and I love this. My nephew really calls me every night to make him a midnight snack, and it's always this jam, but I can't get any of this anytime sooner because I'm here in Pampanga and I'm not sure if Din and DeLuca is open. So here is the 8th thing in our list. For the past months, I've been telling you my K-drama recommendations in Netflix, and for this month's K-drama recommendations, I have 3 for you, and it's Still 17, Moment of 18, and Second 20. Still 17 is a story of a girl who got into an accident when she was 17 years old, and when she woke up, she's already 30, and she went back to where she lived and everything, and no one's there. No one's there for her already, and she would meet 2 guys, and I will not tell you any more about the story, but it's really so good. I really love all the actors in the drama, so watch it. And the second one, Moment of 18, I watched this because I think I watched it because of Ong Sung-woo and Moonbin. They are part of this drama and it's really so touching. Ang daming input, meron pang LGBT input dito. So I really love Moment of 18. And the third one is Second 20. Second 20 because it's a story of a mother who didn't really experience so much because she got pregnant at an early age and she will go to the same college as her son when she decided that she should live her life. So there, it's kind of a weird plot, but when I watched it, I really loved it. The last one on our list is our companion when it was Father's Day. It's Food Panda. Food Panda is finally in Pampanga, and I'm really so happy that there are so much restaurants now because when it started, there are really a few choices, but now there's so much choices in their app, and I'm really so happy with the service here in Pampanga. The service is even much better here in Pampanga than when I was in Manila. I think because there are so much people in Manila, but here the delivery time is really on point. And look, there are so much choices already. So when it was Father's Day, we ordered T-Hub for lunch, and for dinner we ordered mesa. So the whole Father's Day, no one was really tired and we really got to relax the day. My dad got to relax and got to do his gardening, and we enjoyed the food for lunch and for dinner. And the past few days I've also been ordering so much in Food Panda because it's really so hard to prepare baon pa whenever you leave house and go to your office. So there, I'm really so happy because here in Pampanga there are so much food to try, so we really needed the Panda. So Food Panda, thank you so much for being here already in Pampanga. That's it guys. As you saw, I've been going around my room because I broke our light and it's not working now. I'm just using this light and 2 iPhone flashlights just to light myself up in doing this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of different from my previous monthly favorites. It's not a sit-down video. I've been moving around to get different view and to get different lighting because it's really so hard without any light here in our room, and I think we're not gonna get it fixed because we're moving somewhere soon. So I'm stepping up my improvising skills. I really need to improve my improvising skills. Sorry for that, but thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Bye!